Hello friends, as we all know, Facebook have launched their Facebook Messenger Room, a new feature. In that we can do video calling up to 50 people. Yes friends. So without wasting a time, let's begin our video where we can learn how to create a Facebook Messenger Room step by step. So friends, without wasting a time, let's begin our video. So I will let you know step by step process with all the required details. Just you need to follow those steps and you will create your Facebook Messenger room easily. So in first step, you have to open your Facebook Messenger app. Once you open your Facebook Messenger app, just sign in with your Facebook account. Once you sign in your Facebook account, so copy paste this messenger room link. I already added this link into my description box. Just copy this messenger room link and send it to those person for whom you are creating this messenger room. Just copy and send it to them. Once you send to them, a new pop-up will come into your screen. So as you can see in this video, a new pop-up is there with a link. So after sending the link, click on this view room button or link. So once you click this view room link, a new interface will come or new page will come. In this new page, you have to click this create room link. Once you click this create room link, what happen? A new page will come up. In this new page, what you have to do, you have to set the room photo. So you have to set up the room photo, your room name, your room description, emojis, etc. So all those things you have to add here. And most importantly friends, there is one setting called discoverability. So in this discoverability setting, what happened, the first thing is, I'll let you know, you can't change this setting later. So after creating your room, you cannot change this setting. So first make sure you will select the setting on or off as per your convenience. Yes friends. So if 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 you have set this up as a discoverable, it means anyone can find this room and join this room. Once he can join, you can remove them as an admin. You can remove them from your personal room or Facebook room. But if this setting is off, then he or she cannot enter your room without your permission. So this is most important setting here. In next step, once you are done with all those things, you have to select or click this create button. So at the top you can see a create link. Just click this create link. Once you click this create link, your messenger room is created. And yes friends, so in this image you can see your messenger room is created and with this name. So we have entered this tech notepad. So this room is created here. Now what you have to do, now click on I sign button. So at the top you can see one I button is there. Just click this I button. Once you click this button, now you can become the room admin by clicking on the become admin button. So here in this photo you can see become admin option is there. So if you click this become admin, you will be the admin of this room. So I have clicked. Now you can see a new pop-up come for confirmation, cancel or become admin. So you have to click this become admin. Once you click this become admin, you will be the admin of the room. So now let's talk about the advantages and the disadvantages of this thing. So advantage, only admins can remove members from the room. If you are admin, so you have this advantage that only you can remove members from the room. Yes friends. Now let's talk about the disadvantage. The disadvantage is we can't add our friends directly to a messenger room. Yes friends, if we are an admin, then we can't add our friends directly to a messenger room. We can just invite them via link. So to add those person, we can just share our link, our messenger room link, and people can join that room by that clicking this messenger room link. Yes friends. So in this screen you can see this invite link is we can just click on invite member and we can invite our friends and family members whomsoever we want, and we can join them into our Facebook Messenger room. So these are the steps to create a Facebook Messenger room. It's a new functionality friends, so please follow this thing. If you have any issue, just let me know in comment box. I will try to solve each and every query of yours. Yes friends, thank you very much. If you really like this video, please don't forget to subscribe. You have to subscribe my channel for all other videos related to this thing or any other technology related video. So please subscribe my channel. Thank you.